Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to adjust border radius of a video in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for creating a new section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. So we have clicked on it. Now it is asking us about the layout, whether we want a flex box or a grid. We can simply select grid over here, and in the structure we are going to select the first structure, that is of 1 row and 2 column. You can select as per your requirement, right? Now we are going to add a video widget in this particular first column of this section, right? For adding video widget, you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on the top, and you can click on add element button, the plus icon, and here you can simply search for video and then drag and drop this video widget into the first column. Okay, it's done. Now in the left side toolbar we have three settings: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. Right now we are into the content setting, and here it is asking us about the link. So here you can simply copy paste your YouTube video link which you want to showcase over here. Now you need to go to the advanced setting, and here in the advanced setting you need to scroll down, and there would be an option of border. You can simply go to the border, and from here you can simply increase or decrease the border radius. You can adjust the border radius. Right now, as you can see, it is asking us for the four values for the top, right, bottom, and left, right? So, and as you can see, there is a link button. Right now all the sides are linked to each other, right? So if I increase the top, then automatically right, bottom, and left values would also increase. And as you can see, our video is getting a curved shape, right, from all the sides. And if you want to delink it, then you can simply click on this icon, and let me show you. Okay, I have again made all values to 0, right? And now I'm going to click this delink button, and here I'm only going to increase the top. So you can see like only top edges have been curved, right? And rest all edges are sharp as of now. So you can increase or decrease the border radius for all the sides or only single side, right? So this is how you can adjust the border radius of a video in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.